Okay, so you might not have known, but my pet lizard passed away the other day, so I've decided to print off a dragon thing. He was a bit of dragon, didn't have any wings, but I mean, hey, you gotta be imaginative somehow, so let's do this. Printed off these the other day. They came out fine. I did try to print off the actual body thing as well, but it didn't come out very well. It was like in bits and stuff, so I had to do it again. And I just had the idea to film it, so yeah. Thanks for that. So, I'm just currently getting the printer ready. We're using the Tifo Tornado, of course. I've already preheated it to its temperature that it's supposed to be. Just gonna clean off the bed. I know it's gonna be printed in the middle somehow, or somewhere here. So, I'm just getting all the dust and bits of failed print off of here. I'm using Oxford print to control the printer. Oh hey, there's me. So now, we just hit print, and you can see that it's doing its thing now. Okay. Let's go and stop the thing and grabbing this. God's sake. The joys of 3D printing. Come on. Damn it. You probably can't see this, but there's like a bit of filament stuck under. Come on. Oh, but there we go. So it's gonna do the skirt first. What is that camera looking out for? It's gonna do the skirt first, and then it will do the actual bit that I want it to do. There's more dust on the thing. This can take some time, so we'll wait for this to do its thing, I guess. And hopefully, in approximately 10 hours, we'll have a dragon. I'm printing at 75% feed rate, just because I don't really want it to fail. So, and in my testing, it's better to have like slower feed rates. I'm actually just gonna go and turn the bed up to 70. I'm printing with PLA from Erione, or Everyone, or however you pronounce it. And while it's PLA, it's at least for this pink stuff, it doesn't seem to stick very well, so, and I haven't got any magic goo yet. So I'm just going to rely on the temperature alone to stick it to the bed. It looks like it's doing okay, so I guess I'll get the GoPro back on as soon as it either completes or fails.
Okay, so it was night time at the time that it had finished, so I'm going to have to do a quick voiceover here. But as you can see, Dragon finished pretty nice. I'd already got the wings over so that we could see how to assemble it. I'll have a link to this model in the description, of course. You can see that it's sort of just slots into place. You could always glue it if you feel the need to do so. But there's a hole on the back of the Dragon, and this is difficult to do while trying to film. I didn't have the GoPro head strap on, so I decided to just have it done through the magic of editing. There we go. So, this is it assembled. Wings pressed into place. You can see it came out quite well. Because the wings were flat against the print bed, it sort of made one side particularly glossy, but I mean, that doesn't really bother me too much. But everything's flexible, everything's nice and articulated, so you can move everything around. And I didn't even have to break in any of these joints, they were just as they were. The designer of this model obviously put a lot of time into this, so respect to them. The wings are fully flexible. The neck is flexible. The tail is definitely flexible, apart from the end, but that's quite thin, so we'll ignore that for now. Nothing sticks together, so I would say this is a success. You can even see the teeth in the mouth. Came out very, very nicely. This is the advantage of printing slowly, is that you get much more detail and a highly reduced chance of failure. So this about does it for the first video on M.I.C.O.Y.C. I do hope you like the new channel. I've decided to change Survival Live from a gaming channel into a sort of creative arts behind the scenes channel, because I'm really not the sort of person to game anymore, which is unfortunate to say the least, seeing as how much of money I've spent on Steam. But whatever. If you're just here for the gaming, I recommend you just unsubscribe now, because I'm not going to be doing gaming anymore. But if you're happy for this new thing, feel free to like the video or leave a comment telling me what you think. I'm taking all sorts of constructive criticism on this. Bear in mind I am editing this with Premiere Pro because the GoPro footage is ridiculous. So I can't use Vegas anymore, so apologies for the editing being slightly more amateurish than it usually is. as if I'm good at editing anyway. But thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.